has been able to access the testimony given by Siddharth Pithani to the CBI, and there are multiple very crucial details here. Most significantly to do with the fact that Siddharth Pithani believes that Rhea was in fact living off Sushant's money. Also the fact that what happened on the 14th of June, which is the day that Sushant Singh Rajput died. He explains how he believes it was a case of suicide, explains the circumstances leading up to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. We've got Devesh Singh joining us. He tracks crime and investigations for us in Mumbai. We've got Sushant Mehta joins us, who's tracking Bollywood and its reactions. Devesh, to you first. There are very interesting details here about the tiffs between Rhea Chakravarti and the sisters of Sushant Singh Rajput. Details also, most crucially, about what happened between the 8th and the 14th, between the time that Rhea left and that Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead. What of that detailed testimony that you've accessed, what strikes you as being the most important and newsworthy?
Rahul, the most striking thing that has come to light from the testimony or statement of Siddharth Pithani is that he says in his statement that when he came back in the month of January, he had taken a break working for Sushant Singh Rajput, and when he came back in the month of January, Sushant initially told him that everyone has left me, no one is with me anymore, I don't want to stay here, I'm going to leave acting, and I'm planning to start farming at Lonavala, at the Lonavala farmhouse where he was staying. Then when Siddharth Pithani met Samuel Miranda, who was the manager of Sushant Singh Rajput, also named as one of the accused in the CBI FIR, he told Siddharth Pithani that Rhea was not living with Sushant anymore, and Rhea was spending a lot of money using Sushant's card. She's gone on a shopping spree using Sushant's debit cards. So this thing is one of the striking things that have come to light from the testimony or from the statement of Siddharth Pithani. Other than that, there's another thing which is mentioned in the testimony regarding 10th of June, where Siddharth Pithani has said that on 10th of June, Sushant asked him, remember Sushant asked him to delete some videos, pictures, songs from his own hard drive, his personal hard drive, which was a single hard drive, and he deleted as per Sushant's instructions. So these two things have come to light. Other than that, there are also details mentioned about what happened on 14th of June, what all transpired at the residence at the flat number 601 Mount Blanc, where Sushant was found dead on 14th of June. He also shares details regarding O.P. Singh, the IPS officer, instructing him over the phone or through his wife Neetu Singh, asking Siddharth to bring down the body, to cut off the cloth using which Sushant was found hanging. So as per instructions of O.P. Singh, the cloth was cut by Siddharth Pithani and Dipesh Sawant, and body of Sushant Singh Rajput was brought down. Remember, there have been many conspiracy theories, speculations regarding what had happened there, who brought the body, why was the body brought down. But here, this statement also brings to light that it was indeed O.P. Singh, the brother-in-law, a senior IPS officer of Sushant Singh Rajput, who had instructed Siddharth Pithani through Neetu Singh that the body should be brought down, the cloth should be cut, and the body needs to be brought down and kept on it was then kept on the floor. Rahul?
Thanks, Devesh. I want to go across to Sushant, because what's also emerging from this testimony is that Sushant was apparently telling Siddharth Pithani that he wanted to quit the film industry, that he wanted to move away, start doing farming, live in a farmhouse, be close to nature, come back just once in a way to do the odd film in a year, which is also part of what Rhea Chakravarti told us in the interview that India Today did with her. So it seems that this decision or this idea was brewing in Sushant's head about wanting to break away from films and try a new life.
Exactly, and Rahul, remember, all that Rhea said, it's matching exactly what Pithani is saying. You remember the hard drive theory emerged, and Rhea had totally refuted the theory. She said, I can't believe that Pithani has said anything like this, because earlier reports suggest that on 8th June, in the presence of Rhea and Sushant, a professional team was called in to delete these 8 hard drives. Today, Pithani has said he himself deleted some material of the hard drives on 10th of June. Then again, Pithani is saying, mentioning the timeline of his mental health issues. Ria mentioned the timeline of his mental health issues. We've also got the statement of the psychiatrist corroborated by 4 other psychiatrists about his mental health issues. Then again, as you said, Ria, what she said about him leaving the film industry, it's very, very interesting. Just want to read one passage from this, that he said that they went to Pavna Dam. Remember, Ria said that he did not have a great relationship with the family, with his sisters. So they got into a fight, Ria and Priyanka, when they were on a holiday to Pavna Dam, and Sushant actually sided with Ria. That's when Priyanka left that scene. This is also what Siddharth Pithani has told the CBI sources. So Siddharth Pithani, the psychiatrist, even Ria Chakrabarti, all of them are saying the same things. Starting of June, he had panic attacks. He was going through some severe anxiety and depression issues. And that, according to them, as the psychiatrist said, he already had warned them, could be fatal if he does not take his medication. Pithani has said he stopped medication. Even the psychiatrist has said he'd stopped medication. So all of this is adding up. This is not conjecture, not misinformation. This is one after the other. Eyewitnesses who were close to Sushant, not Ankita Lokhande, who did not meet him for 4 years, not Kangana Ranaut, who hardly met him ever or spoke to him, but actual eyewitnesses in the case, professional psychiatrist who was working on the case. All of them basically have the same theory, the same statements. It's all adding up. Rahul?
Okay, thanks Sushant for that update. Now the key focus for the CBI is what happened between the 8th and the 14th. So what India Today did is we tried to piece together